All right, I sure do hope I did not lose all of my footage. I'm so sorry I lost my footage. Sometimes it happens and sometimes it doesn't, but I will try to remember to keep an eye on that battery, that little battery that shows right up there, so that it doesn't shut off on me, and I'll do this again. But, yeah, I do have some delicious, Sarah over there running out from behind me for whatever reason, some delicious honey nut granola that I made this morning. Okay, to the story. The story. So, fact or folklore? What do you think? Well, according to my great aunt, who told us the story, us being me and my sisters and my brother, this is true. I can't verify it because she passed. And the little boy was my dad. I know, my dad's a lot of stuff, and, you know, I speak of him quite often, but, you know, he was my hero. What can I say? And he also has passed. But, you know, was it really, did it really happen? I don't know. I never did think to ask my dad about it. But why? Unless she was wanting to keep us away from the houses where he lived at, and where the neighbors lived at that he went to, because they were in bad shape. Yeah, nobody lived in them for years. So yeah, unless she was just wanting to keep us away from there, that's probably why she did it. But I don't know. We'll just have to leave it for each of you to decide on your own. But you all take care. I do have a roast over there that I've been cooking in the slow cooker today, and with some potatoes and carrots that when Tom gets home, we're gonna have that for supper. I'm gonna fix some gravy with it, but y'all take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.